How to turn on or off remind me when it's bedtime option on YouTube app. So hello guys, first thing we do, we go to YouTube. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now you will have those many options here. Just choose time watched option here and it will take you to this page. Now here, go down and you will find remind me when it's bedtime. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. And if you want to turn it on, just set the time that you want. As you can see, set the start time and the end time and then click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.